Peace. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Google Pixel 6a, and I got this beautiful little chalk white smartphone. Excellent little device. And I picked up this case from a company called Bellroy. I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up. You could actually pick this up from Google themselves on their Google store, or you could pick it up from Bellroy. I'll leave links to both those links so that you guys can pick that up. But this is a leather case, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this thing. This thing is butter, okay? And then you got that soft material, so the phone does not get damaged on both the top and the bottom. Look at these buttons, man. High quality, up and down, power button. Got your great openings and everything. Now, this does not provide supreme protection like a lot of other cases, but this is more of a stylish case. Now, look at that, huh? Wow. Look at this thing. It is just gorgeous. And then you get, this is a Bellroy branding there. You get now you get minimal protection there on the camera, which is not a great thing. Yeah, the protection there is not so good. And on the flat wall here, on the flat display, you don't get a lot of protection here, as you can see here. Let's look at that. Yeah, I don't like this bottom, but this is a nice looking case. Let's take a look at the spectaculars on it. And it's 49 bucks from Bellroy. Let me darken this a little bit for you guys so you guys can kind of see the writing there. Free shipping. And this one is the terracotta color. I have a blue one that is probably, look at that blue. That blue is tight. Then they have a, what's that, a basalt. It's like a light blue type. And then you get the black, traditional black. So that's from Bellroy. I don't know which ones Google has, but they definitely have this one, and I think the black one. But from Bellroy, you could pick up different colors from it. But I'm not really crazy about this, how it's exposed here. I know on the Pixel 6 Pro, this was closed, and on the Pixel 6, it was open. So I'm not crazy about that. I do like the case overall though. Just the feel in the hand is really nice, great quality. This is a great quality case. This is authentic leather. So you're spending some good money, but you're getting good quality product. As far as the buttons are concerned, they're really easy to push up and down, easy to do. You get great, you know, great looking case, but not crazy about the protection, because if this falls, you know, you could be in some trouble. But that's gonna do it, man. Leave a like, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment, let me know if you guys plan on picking this up. But it's a good looking case. I'm just not crazy about the protection on it. That's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.